So in this video, I want to show you how to change the clock setting. On the other one, my other video, I showed you how to change the operator, and I started talking about the clock setting, but I did not change the clock setting. I kind of blundered on that and kind of went in squirrel mode, and ended up just showing you how to do something else in that. So this one's just going to be for the clock setting. So what we're going to do here, we're in the main screen. You have to be in the master settings, but just so same machine, so same thing. So on a cat machine, especially when they're new, they use the serial number. So we're just going to put the secret password back in here. Oh, did not like it. Okay. Put my blunders in there as well. So let's see. Okay, so this guy here, on that. So we want to go to your settings, and then we want to go to your display settings, and then the clock, and then you can adjust the clock from here. And then when you adjust the clock, you just hit OK to confirm. And then does its magic. It's coming, just magic. So if that ever happens to you, it's natural. It just takes a minute. Has to rethink. And there you go. So key things here is to make sure you're in the master settings when you're doing it. And that password can be changed accordingly. You could have multiple different operators, settings to do that. So, but you got to be in that setting now. Okay, thank you.